In this video, I'll demonstrate how to manage policy packages in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. They're a convenient way to deploy a collection of policies for different user roles. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Policy Packages. This grid shows a list of policy packages that Teams includes by default. Select a package to view it. For instance, I'll select the Frontline Worker package to see the policies it includes. Default policy packages include messaging, meeting, app setup, calling, and live events policies. For the messaging policy, I'll select Frontline Worker to see its settings. Then I'll toggle Send Urgent Messages using Priority Notifications to turn it on. Select Save and confirm the changes. Now in Messaging Policies, I see the Frontline Worker policy. Likewise, in Meeting Policies and Live Events policies. Once you've customized a policy package to your needs, you can assign it to individual or groups of users to apply those settings to them. For example, select the Frontline Worker policy package followed by Manage Users. In the Manage Users side pane, search for and select the users you want to assign the policy package to. Megan Bowman, in this case. You can, of course, assign it to multiple users. And that's it. Select Apply to save your changes. However, since policy packages are role-based, it makes more sense to assign them to groups. To do that, select Group Package Assignment, and then select Add to add an assignment. In the Assign Policy Package to a Group side pane, search for and select the groups you want to assign the policy to. Store managers, in this case. You can also assign it to multiple groups. Last, select the policy package to assign to the group, in this case, Frontline Manager. And that's it. Select Apply to save the changes. All users in the assigned groups, unless higher-ranking policies take precedence over it, will experience the settings in this package. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to manage policy packages, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.